Hello, you're watching HW News. This is me, Anusha. Let's have a quick look at the headlines today. As communications blockade entered the day 11, situation in Kashmir remains the same. The Independence Day was celebrated in the valley with no reports of violence on August 15th. Also, the United Nations Security Council had held a closed-door meeting on India's decision to revoke Article 370, which granted special status to Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi formally called for an emergency meeting for the UNSC and said that India's decision was illegal and against the UN resolution. Now, meanwhile, China, the closest ally of Pakistan, had also asked for close consultation in the Council. Pakistan will try to present its case on 2 points at the UNSC meet today. First is the UN resolution on Kashmir issue, and the second will be on the humanitarian concern over the situation in Jammu and Kashmir. Now, moving on, the Supreme Court had adjourned the hearing on the case's challenges to the centre's decision to scrap the provision of Article 370, while Advocate M.L. Sharma has challenged the scrapping of the special status and bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories. On the other hand, a local newspaper's editor had sought directions to restore all modes of communications, including mobile internet and landline services, to which the Supreme Court has now adjourned all the petitions. The Supreme Court had further wrapped the advocate for a defective petition against Article 370 repeal. The top court had further said that it will take up pleas after restrictions are lifted in Jammu and Kashmir. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi had said that the acquittal of all the 6 accused in the Pelu Khan lynching case is shocking. At the same time, the lauding of Ashok Gehlot government's new law on lynching, Priyanka Gandhi said that hopefully this will give justice to Pelu Khan, who was lynched in Alwar back in 2017 for transporting cows. Taking to Twitter, Priyanka Gandhi has said that the lower court's decision on Pelu Khan is shocking. Our nation shouldn't have any place for such inhumanity, and mob lynching is shameful crime. Now, meanwhile, hours after the verdict, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot said that the state government will appeal against the verdict delivered by the court of an additional district judge.
जब हम लोग कानून बनाने वाला राजस्थान मणिपुर के बाद में दूसरा राज्य है, अगर मॉब लिंचिंग को लेकर कानून बना सकते हैं हम लोग, आप समझ सकते हैं कि सरकार की स्पष्ट मंशा है किसी भी प्रकार की मॉब लिंचिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए। अगर 2 या 2 से अधिक लोग मिलकर किसी को मारने लग जाए, एक व्यक्ति की जान चली जाए, इससे बड़ा निंदनीय काम क्या हो सकता है। सरकार ने सोच समझ करके इस कानून को पास करवाया है, जल्दी वो लागू हो जाएगा। और पहलू
Bharatiya Janata Party MP Rupa Ganguly's son rammed his car into a wall of an upscale South Kolkata club on Thursday night. Akash came out of the car with minor injuries with the help of his father, who rushed out for their apartment on hearing on the commotion. Locals claim that many people had a narrow escape as the vehicle was trying to drive in at a breakneck speed. The car crashed into a boundary wall, breaking a portion of it with the driver trapped inside. The broken portion of the wall fell onto the vehicle, which is registered in the BJP MP's name. Now, Article 370 was one of the vital issues that the entire nation was waiting for Prime Minister Modi to speak on Independence Day speech, where he said that he failed to understand the reasoning behind the support of the Article 370 and Article 35A. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reserved sharp words for the Congress and the other opposition parties during his Independence Day speech, questioning why the grand old party didn't make special status for Jammu and Kashmir permanent during its rule if it was so important. He further said that if these provisions were so important for Jammu and Kashmir's welfare, why didn't the previous government left it as a temporary provision despite multiple opportunities to do? He had also added that within 10 weeks of assuming power, his government has taken other key decisions, such as bringing a new law to ban the practice of the instant triple talaq and scrapping provision of Article 370 with respect to Jammu and Kashmir. Invoking Sardar Patel Modi had said that the decision to revoke Article 370 is a step towards realizing the dream of the Iron Man of India.
जब देश, पूरा देश, सभी राजनीतिक दलों के भीतर भी एक भी राजनीतिक दल अपवाद नहीं है, धारा 370, अनुच्छेद 370, आर्टिकल 370 को हटाने के लिए, 35A को हटाने के लिए कोई प्रखर रूप से तो कोई मुख्य रूप से समर्थन देता रहा है, लेकिन राजनीति के गलियारों में चुनाव के तराजू से तोलने वाले कुछ लोग 370 के पक्ष में कुछ न कुछ कहते रहते हैं। जो लोग 370 के पक्ष में वकालत करते हैं, उनको देश पूछ रहा है, अगर ये अनुच्छेद 370, ये आर्टिकल 370, ये 35A इतना महत्वपूर्ण था, इतना अनिवार्य था, उसी से भाग्य बदलने वाला था, तो 70 साल तक इतना भारी बहुमत होने के बावजूद भी आप लोगों ने उसको परमानेंट क्यों नहीं किया? टेम्पररी क्यों बनाए रखा? अगर इतना कन्विक्शन था तो आगे आते, परमानेंट कर देते। लेकिन इसका मतलब यह है, आप भी जानते थे कि जो हुआ है वो सही नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन सुधार करने की आप में हिम्मत नहीं थी, इरादा नहीं था। राजनीतिक भविष्य पर सवाल या निशान लगते थे। मेरे लिए देश का भविष्य ही सब कुछ है, राजनीतिक भविष्य कुछ नहीं होता है।
Now, remembering one of the tallest leaders and founder member of the party, the Bharatiya Janata Party today paid tributes to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his first death anniversary at his memorial. From President Ramnath Kovind to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah to BJP National Working President JP Nadda and other leaders of the party today paid tributes to Vajpayee at his memorial. And for more news updates, log on to www.hwnews.in.